Hey, what's up guys? This is Canada with Savera Wood Floor Refinishing. So guys, we're working on a Port Jefferson, Long Island today. We're doing a screen and recoat of engineered wood floors. I was going to turn the camera around and show you guys what we're working with. This is one of the great thing about our process. We have special pads that we use to screen these floors. And what we're going to do is add protection. This process can be done with a 2K product, or we can use our UV cure product and UV cure these floors. I'm going to flip the camera. Okay, so right now we're just doing the screening process. Okay, and this is what we're working with. We have this area right here, and this room right here, and the living room area. So right now we're just screening the floors down, and just add protection to the floors. Okay, stay tuned. Guys, so this is a pre-finished engineered wood floor. So this floor is glued down. This floor cannot be sanded, and this is one of the things we can do if you have these floors. So if you have pre-finished engineered wood floors with a thin veneer and you want to add protection, micro scratches, we can definitely prep these floors. We have a special pad that abrades the surface, and we have two different products we use. One is our UV cure product, which is great. It's pretty much the same technology because it's also UV. Because these floors have aluminum oxide, it's UV finish in the factory. So we can duplicate the same technology. We can UV cure these floors and apply finish. This is going to dry in a satin finish. You can see how really nice this is going to look once we're done. Savera Wood Floor Refinishing. So we finished up the screen and recoat for this engineered wood floors. One of the great things about our buff and recoat service for engineered wood floors is that we can add protection and get these floors looking really, really great, and especially with our UV cure process. Okay, so if you have engineered wood floors and you have concerns about having the floors be refinished, it's not a sanding, it's a buff and recoat. I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to show you. Look at these floors, guys. Just look how beautiful these floors look. Okay, this is a one-day process. Okay, we came in, we buffed these floors down really nicely. Client chose a satin finish. Okay, so this is what we're working with. All done in one day. Very, very, very nice. Okay, so if you have pre-finished engineered wood floors, and these are glued down, by the way, these are 7-inch planks, glued down, engineers, and these floors cannot be sanded. Okay, these are the floors that cannot be sanded, but we can do a buff and a recoat and add protection back to these floors. So if you want to have your engineered wood floors refinished, reach out to us at SaveraWoodFloorRefinishing.com.